Hello everyone, Yuri Matzo here, and today we're talking about wireless chargers. Back in September of 2017, Apple announced AirPower, which unfortunately in March 29, 2019, the senior VP of engineering, Dan Riccio, stated that they would just kill the project completely. So this left a lot of us wondering what we were going to get instead of the AirPower that was promised by Apple, but now we have an option. This is a Slice Charge 2. It's a 3-in-1 Qi wireless charging mat designed with Apple devices in mind. The Slice Charge has two fast Qi wireless chargers that is capable of outputting 7.5 watts for iPhones and a maximum of 10 watts for Samsung devices. It also has a dedicated charger in the center that supplies 3 watts of power for Apple Watches, and it has that magnetic feature just like in the original Apple Watch charger. This charger supports all 3 wireless charging devices from Apple, like the iPhone, the AirPods, and the Apple Watch. The Slice Charge Pro was capable of charging my iPhone XS Max in 3 hours and 29 minutes, and surprisingly, it was able to charge my Apple Watch in just 1 hour and 47 minutes, which was faster by 32 minutes than the original charger from Apple. The Slice Charge 2 comes in 2 colors, indigo blue and frosted white. I personally opted out for the indigo blue just because I like that color. But if you're looking for that OEM Apple look that'll blend in seamlessly with all your Apple products, then that frosted white is going to be an excellent choice. Now, the attention to detail in the design and execution of the device is pretty outstanding. The bottom has rubber pads to prevent the charging mat from sliding around and feels solid with its large aluminum body that's designed for excellent heat dissipation. The top is wrapped in a high-quality fabric to protect your devices from scratching when placing and picking up your device, as well as the red leather tag that adds a nice subtle finishing touch to the overall design. The mat has a USB-C charging cable, as well as a 30-watt USB-C power adapter with a 5-foot long power cable. The Slice Charge is 6.9 millimeters thick, which is 0.8 millimeters thinner than the iPhone XS Max, and it's rated to be able to charge cases that are 2.6 millimeters thick. I did a test where I placed my iPhone with its case and cardboard paper stacked 6 times on top of each other, and it was still able to charge through that. So with that test, I'm pretty confident that I'll be able to charge through most of the iPhone cases, so I don't see anybody having a problem with that. So if you're like me and you're tired of having a cluttered desk of wires, then I would highly recommend this charging mat. I'll also have a link down below in the description, just in case if you wanted to purchase your own. Now, it is rumored that Apple will be releasing a phone this year that will actually axe the whole entire charging port altogether. So that being said, it is very possible that Apple is actually working on their very own wireless charging mat that will be replacing the AirPower that they announced back in 2017, and that they will probably be releasing it with the new iPhone. So if you're looking for something right now, the Hard Cider Labs Slice Charge 2 is a good, cheap, reasonable option. If you want to stay within the Apple ecosystem, you might just want to hold out for Apple to possibly release something at the end of this year, but who knows. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you would consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.